Welcome to today's quick WordPress guide. In this episode, we'll walk you through how to install WordPress using Softaculous, one of the simplest tools built right into your hosting control panel. Softaculous is an auto installer available in most cPanel dashboards. It helps you set up WordPress in just a few clicks, no coding, no database headaches. You'll find it under Softaculous Apps Installer, usually alongside other popular applications. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step from selecting your domain to choosing your admin credentials, and by the end, your WordPress site will be live and ready for customization. So, open your cPanel, find Softaculous, and follow along. Let's get your WordPress website up and running the easy way. Before installing WordPress, make sure your domain is already connected to your hosting. Once that's done, you can log into your hosting control panel, also known as cPanel. Open your web browser and type yourdomain.com/cPanel. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. You'll be taken to the cPanel login page. Here, enter your username and password. These details were provided by your hosting company when you purchased your plan. Next, click Login. If everything is correct, you'll see the main cPanel dashboard, your control center for managing the entire website. From here, you can install WordPress easily using Softaculous App Installer. It only takes a few clicks to get your site online. Now you're ready to move on to the next step, installing WordPress on cPanel. Before installing WordPress, you need to open Softaculous. There are two simple ways to do this. The first way is through the left-hand menu in your cPanel dashboard. Look for WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click it, and it will take you directly to the WordPress Manager screen. The second way is to use the search bar at the top of your cPanel. Type Softaculous into the search box. You'll see the option WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Just click on it to continue. Once you're inside the WordPress Manager by Softaculous, you'll be taken to the WordPress management screen. This is where you can install a new WordPress website, manage existing ones, or perform updates easily. Everything is simple and automatic. Softaculous makes installing WordPress fast, smooth, and beginner-friendly. Welcome back. In this episode, we'll walk you through how to start installing WordPress using Softaculous in cPanel. This is one of the easiest ways to set up a WordPress website, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. When you're on the WordPress management screen inside Softaculous, you'll see a button that says Install. Click that button. Right after that, the WordPress installation setup will appear on your screen. Here's where you'll need to provide some basic information. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. 1. Choose installation URL. The first section is called Choose Installation URL. This is where you decide where WordPress will be installed on your domain. You'll need to select whether you want your website to use HTTP or HTTPS. If your hosting has SSL enabled, always choose HTTPS for better security. Next, select the domain name where you want to install WordPress. If you only have one domain, it will appear automatically in the list. Then, there's a small box for the directory. If you leave it empty, WordPress will be installed on your main website. For example, at yourdomain.com. If you type something like blog, your site will appear at yourdomain.com/blog. Once this part is done, you'll see a complete installation URL automatically created. 2. Site settings. The next section is site settings. Here, you'll provide the basic details for your website. Enter your site title. This is the main name of your website. It will appear at the top of your homepage and in search results. Then, enter a short site description. This is like a tagline, a short sentence that tells visitors what your site is about. Below these, you'll see two additional options. Enable multi-site, WPMU, and disable WordPress cron. For most beginners, you can leave these unchecked. They're only needed for specific advanced setups. 3. Admin account. Now let's move on to the admin account section. This part is very important, so take your time. Here, you'll create your username, password, and admin email. This information will be used to log into your WordPress dashboard after installation. Here's a tip. Avoid using admin as your username. It's common and can make your site easier to hack. Instead, choose something unique and create a strong password. Make sure to provide a real email address. You'll need it to recover your password or receive important notifications from your website. 4. Select plugins. Next is the Select Plugins section. Softaculous gives you the option to install a few plugins automatically. For example, you might see caching plugins, backup plugins, or security tools. You can tick the boxes if you want them installed along with WordPress. However, keep in mind that some plugins may require a premium license. To unlock all their features, you can still install them now and decide later if you want to upgrade. If you're new to WordPress, it's often best to keep your site lightweight. You can always add more plugins after installation. 5. Extended settings and advanced options. Next, you'll find extended settings and advanced options. Under extended settings, you can choose your preferred language for the WordPress dashboard. For example, English, Spanish, or Vietnamese, whichever you're most comfortable with. Then, under advanced options, you'll see more technical settings like database name, backup options, and update preferences. If you're a beginner, you can leave most of these as default. Softaculous automatically configures them for you. But if you're confident or working on a custom setup, you can adjust them to suit your needs. Pro tip: enable automatic updates for WordPress and plugins when possible. It keeps your site more secure and saves time later. 6. Start the installation. Now that you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to start the installation. Scroll down and click the Install button. Once you click it, Softaculous begins setting up WordPress for you. It creates the database, configures your files, and applies all the settings you just entered. This process usually takes less than a minute. Just relax and wait, don't close the window until it's done. When the installation is complete, you'll see a message confirming that WordPress has been successfully installed. You'll also see two important links. One to visit your new website, and one to access your WordPress admin area. That's where you'll manage your site, add posts, install themes, and more. And that's it. You've just learned how to start installing WordPress using Softaculous on cPanel. Softaculous makes the entire process quick, smooth, and beginner-friendly. In just a few minutes, your website will be live and ready to customize. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to log into your new WordPress dashboard and make your first basic settings. Welcome back. In this episode, we'll learn how to check if your WordPress installation was successful. It's a simple step, but very important before you start building your website. After installing WordPress, the first thing you should do is visit your website. Open your web browser and type your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. If your website loads and you see the default WordPress homepage, that means the installation was successful. You did it. Now, let's make sure you can also access the WordPress admin area. In the address bar, type yourdomain.com/admin or yourdomain.com/wp-admin. You'll be taken to the login page. Enter your username and password, the same ones you created during installation. Then click Login. If everything goes well, you'll be redirected to the WordPress dashboard. That's the control center of your website. From here, you can install plugins, upload themes, create new posts, and manage every part of your site. Here's a quick tip. Bookmark your admin page in your browser. You'll visit it often to update content or make changes. Once you're inside the dashboard, it's time to give your site a professional and modern look. Choose a fast-loading WordPress theme. It makes a huge difference for both visitors and SEO. A lightweight theme helps your site load faster and improves your ranking on search engines like Google. One excellent choice is Lite. It's a free, fast, and SEO-friendly WordPress theme that works great for blogs, business websites, and portfolios. To install it, go to Appearance, rightward arrow, Themes, rightward arrow, Add New. Search for Lite, then click Install and activate. That's it, your WordPress setup is complete. And your site is ready for customization. Congratulations! You've successfully checked your WordPress installation and learned how to take the next step toward building a beautiful, fast website. In the next episode, we'll talk about how to customize your new WordPress site to make it match your style and goals.